Farmers in northern New South Wales are back harvesting after heavy rain caused widespread damage. Some lost almost all of their winter crops in the floods, but are trying to salvage what they can. Gabriella Power filed this report from Narrabri.
I've been speaking to farmers and agriculture experts in Tamworth, in Gunnedah and here in Narrabri. They say the damage from these floods is widespread. Even farms on higher ground have been affected by the extreme weather. Some farms have lost paddocks and paddocks of wheat, of grain, of cotton, canola, crops that they've spent many years preparing for harvest. Now, it's the timing of the wet weather that's devastating, as they were just starting to harvest what was going to be some of their best quality crops. The floods have destroyed many crops. The quality of others is significantly downgraded. This means farmers will be selling their produce for a much lower price, around 40 to 50% less.
We've seen a huge change in wheat prices. I don't think it's going to affect the food supply so much. I don't think we're going to have shortages of food or anything like that. But on the grower level, it's certainly affected prices. We've seen a huge kick up for anything that's sort of regarded as high quality wheat. And a high quality product, but the thing is, the grower doesn't have that. All the stuff that they have is sort of low quality, rain affected, and pretty much only used for animal feeds and that kind of stuff. So it's very tough on the bottom line for the grower.
This will impact the contracts farmers have, and will have a flow-on effect which will see less money returned to farms and local towns. But agriculture experts say it's unlikely to have an effect on the food supply chain. Farmers are trying to salvage what they can before the weather turns again.